Hello, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Andreas.
And we're from Calibrate Studio. So today's series we are going to go through more lower limb activation, but this time more about the front side. So we do the posterior side, all about the hamstrings. This time it's going to be all about the quads, and again, bring it back to some of the hip flexors. So today Dre is in a lovely seated position for me. We're going to go through a seated leg extension with the mini band around our ankles. With the band around his ankles right now, you can see we're using the yellow mini band. Again, please feel free to start lighter if you choose to. If this is too hard, always scale back. Nice upright position here, long spine. Dre's holding onto the bottom of the bench again, just to make sure he's got something to actually help tense up the rest of his body so his stomach can stay tight as he does this. He's going to work his outer leg for you to see right now. He's going to keep his right leg grounded, and all he's going to do is point his left toes, keeping everything else flat, driving down. He's going to extend the knee joint only, so point the toes, lifting up his leg as high as it can go, and we're going to hold at the top there. His quads are firing, both BMO and outside his vastus lateralis, coming back down, touch the floor, come back up straight away. Up all the way, hold, come back down. And if you can, take a break there. Point your toe even more, really point like a ballerina's foot. You're gonna go for about 10 reps if you can. If you can't hold for too long, that's fine. Still try and go for the reps on this one. So that is it for our seated leg extension. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy the burn. And see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.